Hey guys, it's Big Sheen Games, and we are back with another video. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the arcade mode here, get out the ones that I don't want. Oh, great, sniper training's not. Okay, I guess we're gonna do mini zone. So yeah, let's get this on. Alright, so I think that we are going to drop. Fine. Do you have a mic? Hello? I forgot. It doesn't. I don't think it lets me talk to other people while while I'm recording. So whatever. I think we're going to use Naya. Maybe. Probably yes. Probably going to die here in a second, but that's fine. Let's get her done. Do you has nice things? Wow, that was a huge glitch right there. Grabbed something and it didn't register whatsoever. What's this? Let's head upstairs, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna grab the armor first. Because I need something to protect myself. Something. Nothing, that's fine. Not really what I hoped for, but let's see what's inside these. Ooh, it's a piece of candy. You know what, I'm actually gonna change the sound for the shotgun. Let's check these little sheds over here. Wow, that's a 8x scope, but no sniper. That's convenient. See if I can find anything to go with this 8x. Maybe an AWM. Hopefully. God, it's super glitchy. I don't know why. I don't understand. I am confusion. Stop glitching, please. Sorry if I'm quiet, I'm focusing. Yeah, it's being oddly quiet. It's focusing very hard. God, I want something other than holographics. I mean, they're a sight or whatever, but still, I mean, I'd rather have a red dot than that. Okay, it's being super laggy. I think I need to get out of the city is what's the problem. That's smart. I'm just gonna run down the main street while my game's glitching. Okay, that's the outside of the circle, so I'm stupid. I gotta run back through it. Huh. Oh. Thought I was getting shot at for a second, but nope. It's being less glitchy as I'm getting away from these huge buildings. Like, recording plus like PUBG is not really a great mix, especially for my old phone. That's why whenever you watch my old recordings, it's it's really hard to like hear what I'm saying because the game's so loud. And whenever I played PUBG and Knives Out on my old phone, I is it my partner? Yeah, but whenever I played PUBG, it was constantly glitching, and then whenever I got off of recording, it was fine. That's why I was confused, but I realized that whenever you record, it always doesn't register the same. So I just needed to get out of there. I'm just gonna head over to this town and chill for a little bit. I don't know why, but it's like the 7.62, like the guns that use 7.62, they're always a little bit more like jerky. They jerk a little bit more. It's like the knockback and recoil. There's the word I'm looking for. It's just a lot more powerful. It's because it's a bigger round. Like if you compare 5.56 to a 7.62 round, like in real life, they're a lot different. I mean, they look kind of the same. They have the same body shape. It's just the 7.62 is just a lot thicker of a round. It's a giant round. Always check your corners. Don't have enough space, do I? Well, I'm gonna get rid of this because I don't need that, and this. Don't need that. Don't think I need that, but still. I think I'm gonna have this as a long range. And then I'm going to use the 7.62 as a closer range. Gotta reload this one. I bet it's right there. It's like right wherever I can't see it. I bet it's actually over there, yeah. Oh. Peek your head up again, please. So much fighting going. But where from? Alright guys, that's part 1 of this video. Please leave a like and subscribe.